Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs like IHOP. First, crack 2 to 3 large eggs per serving into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of milk or half and half for extra creaminess. Whisk the mixture thoroughly until it's light and frothy. Season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat, ensuring the pan is evenly coated. Once your pan is ready, pour the whisked egg mixture directly into it. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the bottom to just begin to set. Then, using a rubber spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center of the pan. Tilt the pan slightly to let the uncooked liquid egg flow underneath the cooked portions. Continue this gentle folding motion. Keep folding and stirring the eggs gently, ensuring they cook evenly without browning. The key is to cook them slowly over medium-low heat. You want them to be mostly set but still look slightly moist and creamy. As soon as they reach this point, remove the pan from the heat. The residual heat will continue to cook them to that perfect, fluffy, and tender consistency, just like your favorite diner. Serve your perfectly scrambled eggs immediately on a warm plate to maintain their delicious texture. You can garnish them with some fresh chives or a sprinkle of paprika for an extra touch of flavor and color. These eggs are fantastic on their own or as part of a larger breakfast spread. For more great kitchen tips and other deals, check the description below. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, you'll find a link there for the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.